Yeah, just got this desoldering gun and I'm gonna test it now. Here's the price, here's the seller. This provided adapter is totally useless. Yeah, won't go. So I just wired like that. Don't do this at home. You may or may not kill yourself. Okay, it's working. Now we gotta have to wait. I don't know how much time. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see. It works. Hidden element. This is some kind of chamber for solder. Yeah, still hitting. Okay, it took like 30 seconds to heat up, so let's test it now. Boom! That's fast. Okay. Hold on. Still stuck a bit. Oh well. All good. Let's do this piece. This one just fell off. Great. Works great. Fuse is out. Okay, this is it. I think it's great. I think it's gonna do the job for me and I love it.